Welcome back, class, to the fifth chapter of class 8th Geography Industries. We know three types of industrial activities. First one is primary sector, which involves natural resources such as agriculture and mining and etc. Second one is secondary sector. Secondary sector can involves the changing of raw material which we can take from primary sector, the changing of raw material into manufacturing units. And the third one is tertiary sector, in which it provide services to the everyone. Industry refers to the economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. So, the all products available for the use in the market are finished products and are result of some industry. So, we have three types of classification of industries on the basis of raw material. Second one is on the basis of size, and the third one is ownership. So, on the basis of raw material, so raw material is a basic material used in any industry. Any material that we get from our natural surroundings used to by an industry is called raw material. Industries under raw material is of following different types. First one is agro-based industries. In agro-based industries, as name suggesting, agro is related to agriculture, uses animals and plant-based products as raw material. Cotton, textile, dairy products, food processing and leather industries are examples. Mineral-based is the primary industry that use mineral ores or raw material. Iron from Iron ore is the product of mineral based industry. Manufacturing of products such as heavy machinery and building use iron as raw material. Third one is marine based industries uses products from the sea and oceans and as raw material. Examples: manufacturing fish oil. Fourth one is forest based industries utilizes forest produce as raw material, for example forests like pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture, buildings and equipment. Second type is based on size of industry. Size refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed and volume of production. So the first one is small scale industries. In this type of industries, products are manufactured by hand and include cottage and household industries. These industries uses lesser amount of capital and technology. For example, basket weaving, pottery and other handicraft industries. In India, small scale industry gives employment to around 35% population, and these type of industry mostly exist in a developing and underdeveloped world. Second one is large scale industries, which uses large volume of products and investment of capital is higher and technology is superior. For example, production of automobiles and heavy machineries. These industries have automated production, capital and manpower intensive and requires heavy investment in plant and machinery. After independence, India gave emphasis to this sector for development. Most developed nations shows existence of large scale industries. And the third one is ownership. On the basis of ownership, we have private sector, which is owned by privately, means by an individual or a group. For example, Birla Group, Reliance Industries, ITC Limited. Second one is public sector or state owned owned and operated by government. For example, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, Hall, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. Third one is joint sector, partnership between state and individual or a group is known as joint sector. For example, Maharashtra Scooters Limited, Maruti Udyog, Gujarat State Fertilizers. Fourth one is cooperative sector for the advancement of agriculture and related industries. These this sector industry is owned and operated by producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both, and state facilitates them. For example, Amul Dairy, Anand Milk Union Limited, and Sudha Dairy. There are some factors which affect the location of industries. These factors are availability of raw material, second which affects is location. We can say industrialization leads to the development and growth of towns and cities, and industries usually located near seaports and coal mines or in temperate areas. Incentives like subsidized power, low transport cost, infrastructure provided by government to industries located in backward regions of countries, and many industries located close by the place becomes industrial region. Industrial system. What is industrial system? It comprises of input, process, which gives us output. The input includes raw materials, labor, land, transport, power, and other infrastructure. The process includes a wide range of activities like ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, and printing that convert raw material into finished products. And output includes end product which sold to the buyers. Industrial regions are formed. Industrial regions are formed when a number of industries located close to each other and share benefits to their closeness. Many industrial regions are located in temperate areas near seaports and near coal fields. Major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and Eastern Asia. In India, industrial regions are Mumbai Pune cluster, Bangalore Tamil Nadu cluster, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial region, Vishakhapatnam Guntur belt, and Kollam Thiruvananthapuram industrial belt. Industrial regions depend on technological advancement of a country. Also, industrial corridors are also being set up now by the countries to utilize maximum potential. China India economic corridors is one of the example. Industrial disaster. As we know, in industrial world, the industrial workers sometimes require to work in a dangerous environment such as in mining, in gaseous field, etc. The technical failure due to any lapse in the regular maintenance of technical equipment, irresponsible handling of hazardous materials may lead to accidents. There are some risk reduction measures which, if we followed, can prevent large scale disasters. Industrial areas should be located at far from residential areas. People living near the industry areas are aware to the hazardous materials handled in these industries and their effects to the human in case of an accident. Improving the fire warning system and firefighting systems, improving pollution dispersion qualities, and limiting toxic storage facility within the industries. We have some major distribution of major industries such as iron and steel industries, textile industries, and information technology industries are world's major industries. Iron and steel, textile, and industries. Information technology industry. Iron and steel industries are located in Germany, USA, Japan, China, and Russia. In India, we have iron and steel industry based at Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is rich in mineral resources. Textile industries are located in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. The Silicon Valley of Central California, Bangalore region of India are major hubs of information technology industries. Emerging industries are also known as sunrise industries and include information, technology, wellness, hospitality, and knowledge. Iron and steel industries comprises various inputs, processes, and outputs, and it is a mineral based industries. Inputs in this industry include raw materials such as iron ore, core, limestone, labor, capital, and other infrastructures. In processing, iron ore is converted into steel by undergoing different stages like smelting and refining. The process through which metals are extracted from their ores by heating beyond their melting point is known as smelting, and the output result we obtained is steel. Steel is the backbone of modern industry and used as raw material for almost all industries. Availability of raw material, cheap labor, transport, and market were the few advantages that helped the iron and steel industries to develop in India. The important steel producing centers in India are Burnpur and Durgapur in West Bengal, Bokaro and Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, and Rourkela in Odisha. Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited (TESCO) was the first major steel producing company which was set up in 1907 in Jamshedpur in India. The major steel industries are located in Germany, USA, Japan, and Russia and China. India's steel production increased from 1 million in 1947 to 30 million in 2002. Pittsburgh in the USA is the important steel city, has also major factors that use the steel as the raw material. Cotton industry. The word textile is derived from the Latin word texere, which means to weave. Fibers are used as raw material. Fibers are the raw material of textile industries that can be natural or man made. Natural fibers are obtained from the wool, silk, cotton, linen, and jute, while man made from nylon, polyester, acrylic, and rayon. Before industrial revolution, cotton cloth was made with the help of spinning wheels and looms using hand spinning techniques. The industrial revolution started with the mechanization of textile industry and cotton gin, one of the key inventions to industrial revolution, and came in the late 18th century. A cotton gin is a machine that quickly and easily separates cotton fibers from their seeds, which hence increasing productivity. Great Britain was the first country to have a power loom. The major textile industries are present in India, Hong Kong, and South Korea. In India, first textile mill was set up in 1818 at Fort Gloucester near Kolkata, but was unsuccessful. The first successful modern textile established in Mumbai in 1854. Mumbai in Maharashtra is the largest textile city of India, then Ahmedabad in Gujarat. About one third of total production of textile industry is exported. The biggest importer of Indian textile is USA. Initially, Cotton mills were concentrated in states of Maharashtra and Gujarat due to the climatic conditions, but now industries spread to the other parts of India like Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Puducherry, and Panipat. It has also some factors which is suitable to the textile industries like easy availability of raw material, suitable climate, flat terrain, easy access to skilled and semi-skilled labor from densely populated areas to Gujarat and neighboring state of Maharashtra, which results in the expansion of the industry in the region. Ahmedabad is also known as Manchester of India. The port city of Osaka, which is known as Manchester of Japan, is the hub of the textile industry in Japan. Information technology is the study, design, and implementation of computer-based information system. It deals with the use of technology such as hardware and software to manage and process information. It enables the conversion, transmission, storage, and retrieval of data. Silicon chips consist of silicon, which is a semiconductor and used in the integrated circuit. The major hubs are Silicon Valley in California and Bangalore in India. Bangalore is also known as Silicon Plateau. IT hubs in metropolitan centers of India are Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad, and Chennai. The IT sectors provide jobs to maximum population in service sector. The first state government to India announce an IT policy was Karnataka in 1992. So we have completed our fifth chapter of class 8 geography industries. Thank you, class.